Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing K-2 visas. I don't do a video on these very often. Frankly, it's been quite a while since I've done a video on what are called derivative child visas for the children of a K-1 fiance, so I thought it was about time I make one. There is a K-2 visa, which is a derivative visa for the children of someone who is coming to the United States, child or children I should say, who is coming to the United States on a K-1 fiance visa. So basically, if you are marrying or looking to marry in this case, we primarily deal with cases emanating from Thailand, although Greater Southeast Asia, we may occasionally handle a case from Cambodia, Laos, even Myanmar, sometimes very occasionally Vietnam, especially if it's processing through the embassy here as a filing based on a Vietnamese person who's in Thailand. But that being said, we primarily deal with Thai matters. You know, if you're looking for a K-1 visa for a Thai fiance and your fiance has children and you've decided you may want to bring that child or children to the United States, the K-2 derivative visa may be an option. It's also interesting because there is kind of a quirk in the law associated with the K-2 where the age of the child can be a little bit older than when you're dealing with other types of visas, most notably immigrant spousal visas, as the K-2 may allow for a child to come up to 21 years of age. Again, that's dependent on the underlying facts in a given case. It's probably a good idea to contact an immigration professional if you want to get some insight and guidance with regard to a child specifically, especially with regards to the age thing, because that can be a really tricky thing. If the child is not turned 18, it would definitely be a good idea to contact an immigration professional because there may be different determining factors that may interact with the underlying facts in a given case that may affect the analysis on what the best type of visa is for somebody that does have children. That being said, the point of this video is to reiterate the point that K-2 visas are available for children of folks who are seeking a K-1 fiance visa to the United States. And just to reiterate, the K-1 fiance visa is for fiancés of United States citizens to come to the United States for a 90-day period in order for, or with the presumption that that person will be coming to the United States in order to get married and then file for a green card in the United States or the adjustment of status process in order to get lawful permanent residence in the USA. Note, the K-2 children can also go through the same process with their K-1 parent at the same time and gain lawful permanent residence as well. So it is a pretty major benefit for the children of child or children of a K-1 visa holder, and something to look at if your fiance already has children and you're thinking of bringing them to the United States from the Kingdom of Thailand.